In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. There are two ways to enable Bluetooth. First, swipe down from the very top right of the screen to open the control center and look for the Bluetooth button. You can tap on it here to turn it on or off. The icon should turn blue when turned on. If you don't see the Bluetooth button, swipe through any pages you have, or long press in some space, then choose Add a Control to add the button. The other way to enable Bluetooth is by opening the main Settings app. Within here, choose Bluetooth and then use the toggle switch to turn it on. You'll then see devices to connect to in the Other Devices section. Tap on a device here to connect to it once it's pairing. That's how to turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.